Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a little trick. Let's go in the CRM. In the list view, as you may know, in the list view it's possible to select different opportunity or different things. This is something that was not possible in Kanban view before V19, but now it is, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, let's go in the Kanban view, and then you're going to press the Alt button on your computer. Here you can see that all the opportunities are now in gray. That means that I can select several of them. Let's say that I want code for table, the global solution, and modern open space. And now I have selected 3 opportunities. With those 3, I can do several actions. For example, let's say that I want to send an email. And let's say that my email is thank you. And you can write a classic email. Thank you for watching this video. Send. Now, if you click on the opportunity and go in the chatter, you can see my email. And there you go. Now you can select different opportunity thanks to the Kanban view. I hope this video helped you and have a nice one.